What is up, everybody? Figured I'd do a little video here. I was having fun with Fusion over my lunch break here, so just a neat little project, and made this guy ring for the new Nomad19 that I got. And so this inner hole, of course, allows it to sit up on the proper section, gives me enough room that I can then guy out from a couple of these points here. So I got that all printed out. In fact, right here, just came out of the bamboo. I also did a couple of other designs here which I thought were kind of nifty. One is the sliding guy line adjuster. These are basically essentially the things that you would put on your piece of paracord, and then you're able to tie off so that you can slide these up and down to adjust the length of the paracord. So I just did a quick model in Fusion here, and did a couple of these. I'm going to print out about 6 of these. I'll have 3 for me, and Rory actually indicated that he was also interested in one of these as well, so I'll probably print out a whole set for him. The last thing I did here is a while back I actually modeled this TacMini ground stake adapter, which allows you to basically put the TacMini in the top of this here, and when you're done, you can see it has a hole all the way through. You actually go ahead and put a stake in the bottom, and I have some metal rod that I went down to Alro steel and picked up, cut that, and then I sharpen it down on the grinder, and then pound it in. And so what I've been using is Bamboo Labs got a PLA-CF that is really, really robust, and it basically pound the stake in here, and then you have essentially a stake that you can stick into any soft ground, drop the TacMini in the top or the Nomad19 in the top here, and it'll hold it vertically while you begin to stake it out, so it makes it a lot easier. The other thing is, you're wondering, why does it have this this basically shoulder down here at the bottom? And that shoulder is actually fitted for a tripod, so you can actually slide this in to an existing tripod as well, and then it will support your mast. So sort of a multi-function thing. I did a couple of these designs. I thought they were kind of nifty, so I figured I'd show them to you. But anyway, this is NAJRD, and you're listening to the Everyday Ham here on YouTube. See you later, guys.